Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Docker Desktop for Mac with Apple Silicon support. Detailed guide step by step clearly. Open your preferred web browser. Navigate to the official Docker website by typing docker.com in the address bar. Once the Docker homepage loads, look for the Get Started button, typically found in the top navigation. Click on the Get Started button to access the Docker products page. Scroll down to find the section for Docker Desktop. Click on the option that reads Docker Desktop for Mac. You will see two options for downloading Docker Desktop, one for Intel and another for Apple Silicon. Since you are looking for Apple Silicon support, click on the download link for the Apple Silicon version. The download should begin automatically. Once the download completes, locate the downloaded file in your Downloads folder. The file will be named something like docker.dmg. Double-click on the docker.dmg file to open it. A new window will appear, showing you the Docker application icon. Drag the Docker icon into your Applications folder. Now, open your Applications folder and find Docker. Double-click on the Docker icon to initiate the installation process. A pop-up may appear, asking for permission to run Docker. Click Open. Docker will begin its setup process, which might take a few moments. Once the setup completes, you will see the Docker whale icon in your menu bar. Click on the whale icon to open Docker Desktop. You might need to go through the initial configuration steps, such as accepting terms and conditions. Docker may prompt you to create a Docker Hub account if you don't have one already. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the setup. Once Docker Desktop is running, you are ready to start using it for your development needs. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.